Applications for the emergency use approval for the coronavirus vaccines filed by the Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech and Pfizer are being reviewed by a government-appointed panel of experts today. This is the second meet in 3 days. Serum Institute, which is making the vaccine Covishield, developed by Oxford University and pharma major AstraZeneca, and Bharat Biotech, which has partnered the Indian Council of Medical Research for its Covaxin, had made presentations before the panel on Wednesday. Pfizer had sought more time to present their data. Once the vaccine are cleared by the expert panel, the application will move to the Drug Controller General of India for final approval. The government wants to start administering the shot starting this month. Today's meeting comes a day before a dry run for vaccination in all states. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, who will access the mock drill in Delhi tomorrow, said the preparations are like general elections where even the booth level preparations are made. The purpose of the dry run is to be ready for the actual rollout. Training has been imparted and the guidelines are being followed till the last several. Potential recipients of vaccine will be informed via SMS. Frontline workers are the priority. After inoculation, digital certificate will also be provided, he said. The health minister said the data submitted by vaccine makers is being analyzed aggressively. At an event on Thursday, Drug Controller General Dr. V.G. Somani said, "Probably we have a happy new year with something in hand. That is what I can hint at." India, which has the second highest number of COVID-19 infections in the world after United States, plans to inoculate 30 crore people in the next 6 to 8 months, and the affordable Oxford vaccine is its biggest hope. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.